When a visionary group of Lebanese partners with over 50 years of experience in the development and management of regional malls and mixed-use projects outside the main cities decides it's finally time to invest in their homeland, the result is nothing but revolutionary. It is in the Bekaa that Intermall Group decides to launch its vision of success, backed by a history of never going wrong with the choice of location. Enjoying a strategic location at the center of the country, the Bekaa is a focal point connecting Lebanon with its neighbors, and a great tourist attraction with world-class wineries, magnificent archaeological sites, and beautiful scenery. More than 600,000 residents. Promising population, 93% below the age of 64. Occupies 40% of Lebanon's national territory. $1 billion of expat remittances in 2014. 10 universities and 10,000 university students. 15 hospitals. 15 wineries. 20 hotels. 25 banks. Over 600 establishments, and 0 mall destination. Until Cascada Village. A 200,000 square meter property in the Casa of Zahli that is surrounded by natural scenery, Cascada Village intends to set a new lifestyle standard in the region similar to the entertainment destinations of the world's biggest cities. Creating over 3,000 job opportunities, Cascada Village brings its home region inevitable expansion, economic stimulation, and reverse migration. With direct access from and to the Pan-Arab Highway, this first-of-its-kind project in a virgin area such as Bekaa will change the lives of the residents of Bekaa and become a destination of pride. The Arcadia Wedding and Events Venue, a luxurious indoor and outdoor venue with a capacity of 2,000 guests, ideal for all events any time of the year. The Rush Extreme Sports Park, 14,000 square meters of high adrenaline activities, including the first off-road karting and buggy track designed by London's Apex Circuit Design. The Cascada Medical Centre, a prime versatile medical and healthcare facility for outpatient clinics, diagnosis labs, spas and beauty centres. The Oasis and Lakeside Dining, a 10,000 square metre lake surrounded by the finest restaurants for a perfect relaxing time. The Cascada Amphitheatre, an open-air Roman-style theatre with a capacity of 4,000 spectators that will attract music and festival fans. The Cascada Hotel, a 200-room hotel providing a new level of comfort for all guests. The gas station, everything you need to treat your car the way it deserves. Welcome to Cascada Mall, an all-in-one destination in the region of Zahli, offering endless possibilities to millions of shoppers. With a built-up area of 150,000 square meters, including 5,000 indoor and outdoor parking spaces, the landmark greets you with a refreshing water cascade and embarks you on a beautiful journey of entertainment. It is here where finally every kid will quench his thirst for fun, where families will spend quality time, where young adults will enjoy well-spent time with friends. With 2 retail floors hosting a rich merchandise mix of local and international brands that cater to all tastes and budgets, Cascada Mall's promising success has already started through a solid collaboration with prominent anchor tenants such as Hypermarket, the largest family entertainment centre, cinemas with 11 movie theatres, the retail anchor, the largest food court with 1,500 seats, a wave of endless possibilities is landing on the shores of Bekaa. Join Cascada Village to be part of the change. and contribute to the prosperity of a unique region. Cascada Village. A whole new level of amazing.